Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another sneaker pickup today, man. And yes, this is from Finish Line. And as you can see, we have a Jordan box. And these are the Air Jordan 12 Retro Winterized. I don't know what the fuck I was gonna say. Not my size though, not my pair. These are a 6Y. So GS pair right here, man. And bling, loud, purr on the pair. Let me get that box out the way, man, and bang. There y'all go. Everything goes to the right. So put this left shoe down. Wow. There go the shoe right there. Let me give y'all that full 360 look of the shoe. Wow. Little feet but yes though, these are exactly how I thought they would be. I mean, ain't nothing too really special about them though, honestly. That's why I wasn't really hyped to pick these up. These wasn't like a must get item for me. You know, don't get me wrong though, having an all black shoe is definitely, it's just a go. This is a go-to sneaker, like an easy go-to sneaker. As you can see on the toe box area, all of this is like scratch proof and rain resistant and all that. So everything, they got little grooves in here, so everything when it melts it just runs off your feet, just runs off. So that's good. Scratch proof. Of course you have the little stitching right here, the Air Jordan 12 stitching on the side. I don't even know what this even is. If you know what material this is, you know, let me know in that comment section down below. But I don't even know what material this is right here. But this is definitely like, I don't even know. But anyways though, you have the Jumpman right here, plastic Jumpman, the little reptile skin type feel. They kept this the same. This ain't changed. On the back side, of course, you have the Jordan Jumpman logo up there. Jordan 23 right there on the heel. Same on this side, just a little plastic piece is a little bit longer. 2-3 on the tongue. Jumpman right there. And then the inside, this is probably like the best part about it. It's like the little fleece inside. It's like the best thing about the shoe. Now you know the shoe is gonna keep your feet warm. At least it gives that vibe off. So it's gonna keep your feet warm. Outsole, all black outsole, black carbon fiber, black 2-3, blacked out Jumpman. On the inside, you have like a little, well, it got the 6Y on there, but on the inside you have a little chromed out Jumpman right there. Like I was saying, these are not my pairs, but honestly, if these go on sale, I can see myself picking them up. Or like if I look on StockX and they going for like under like around 1 something, I could probably see myself picking these up. I'm not paying $220 for these because obviously the Concords came out. I had to double up on that, and I'm giving one away. So you know, these just, you know, just the all black 12, just like the all red 12. They just some all red 12s, you know. Little Agnes right here, all blacked out as well. I mean, you got glue stains right there going on the heel. And I gave y'all an early look at these, but it's not my pair. I wasn't really feeling this shoe. I'm not saying that it's a bad shoe, I just wasn't feeling it enough to go and spend 200 and something dollars on this shoe. It's just not a $200-something shoe to me. I don't even know what material is actually on this shoe. I know it's all scratch proof though, but like this material, this material and this material, two different materials. Like, I don't even know what's what. I know they both scratch proof, but I don't know like the actual material that's on the shoe. So if y'all know the actual material that's on the upper, comment that down below. They got the fleece inline, insole, not insole, but sock liner. But if y'all know the actual material of the uppers, comment that down below. This is a better look of the 12s besides the early review. I mean the early look I gave y'all. This is an up close, personal, in hand. You know, comment down below if y'all cop these, did y'all pass? It was just too much heat coming out for y'all to get these joints. Comment that all down there below. You know, and yeah, man, don't forget, hit that notification bell to join the Playmaker gang, man. Hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members, and subscribe to join the Playmaker gang. And we out this gym, man.